This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Working in the footwell on the passenger's side, squeeze the tangs to release the clips securing the lower trim panel to the base of the fascia. Pull the panel rearward to release it from the retainer at the front. Squeeze together the clips and remove the filter cover. Slide the filter from the housing. The arrows on the edge of the new filter element must point rearwards. Insert the filter element into the housing. Clip the filter cover back into place. Refit the fascia trim panel and secure it by pressing the clips onto the studs.